morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make coffee bubble collagen for the morning time. You know, everybody loves the coffee, so just coffee, base coffee jelly, put collagen on that, just make a benefit at the same time. So we all need coffee. Let's go start do it. Okay, first I got this machine, so simple and easy. If you follow me, easy to make bubble tea, all kind of flavor, or bubble jelly. It doesn't matter, it does whatever you want, just coffee only. It's up to you. First I got this machine, right, and this water. Okay, okay, coffee, whatever, how much you need. I want just only this much. That's it, this much. Just plain water. You don't have to use hot water, you can use cold water. Okay, my coffee, I don't need no sugar, I don't need no milk, because this is powder coffee right here. They got everything. This is for business bubble tea coffee. They have cream, they have sugar, everything in that. So only thing you need to do, just put, just put one scoop. One scoop is just like taste sweet, but not too sweet, just a tiny bit. So I put a little bit, add on more than one scoop. Everything up to you. You want more sweet, you add on more coffee powder. All right, okay, now make coffee collagen. This is collagen I bought from Costco, only $29. Take for long time. So let's go. You know, while you drink coffee, you just do something good for your skin and looking good and look young also. So not one scoop, just less than scoop, because less than scoop for just drop in here collagen. Okay, and let's go start it. Just so simple and easy. That's it, done. Okay, when I make coffee, this coconut gel, you can put anything on, because I like to choose and eat with the drink, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and put coconut gels in here, because we, you know, Asian people, when they make the drink, they love to choose and eat. So let's coconut gel, about 4-5, how much you want, it's up to you. This is what I want right here. Okay, okay, and I use jelly coffee. Okay, jelly coffee flavor right here, because you don't need the bubble. You have to boil the bubble for 20 minutes. Take too long for me, so I just go ahead. This is my option right here. Then add ice on it. And to blend some more. That's it. So simple and easy. All right, let's go. Put in coffee. Put in on ice. See how look good is that? Look yummy, right? You don't have to go out and pay for $5-6. You can make on your own, and make at home, do at home, eat at home, drink at home, guys. How easy is that? Now I'm gonna add some more ice. Yep. Cover up. And when you drink this, you're gonna have big straw right here. There you have it. See that? Look good. You don't have to go out and buy. You can make on your own. So simple and easy and cheap. I show you how. So simple, guys. Okay, whatever you like, you put in here. Jelly, bubble, or anything you like, you put in here, because we like to eat and drink and chew at the same time. Thank you for watching, guys, and I see you next video. And collagen make you stay younger. And I take this every day, guys. Collagen make your face grow. I don't have no makeup. Of course, I put lotion and I put lipstick. That's it, guys. I don't have no makeup. I'm stay good and stay young, because the collagen and whatever you eat, it makes sure you benefit to your body. That's what I do. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you next video. If you follow me, thumbs up, subscribe. and I see you next time. Bye.